This tutorial is going to show you how to output multiple camera angles in sync from a multi-group in a single watchable link. This is helpful if the producer, writer, or director for your show is working remotely and they want to see all the camera angles for a collection of selects they've asked you to gather. Alright, this is our footage bin. As you can see, we have groups here. This is a 2-camera setup, camera A and B. We're going to set an in and an out point for the first clip we want to pull footage from. And then we want this section of footage. So we're going to take that. And let's go from here to here and grab that bit of footage. We're going to say those are 3 different takes that our producer wants to see. Now in our 3-camera setup, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to grab 3 clips. And cut it in. Now we're going to make a duplicate of these clips onto video track 2. Select your clips, hold Ctrl-Alt-C to load them into the source monitor, and then cut them into video track 2. Now these last 3 clips were an ABC, a 3-camera setup. So I'm going to make a copy of those onto video track 3. On the 2-camera setup, we're going to change the bottom clip to cam B. And for our 3-camera setup, we're going to do the middle clip B, the bottom clip C. In this handy little bin, split for Dailies Watchdown link, are templated effects that will split your cameras up nicely for the output. First, we're going to split the 2-camera setup. Select all the 8-camera clips and double-click this first effect. With the same clips selected, we're going to Alt double-click the animat. Then we're going to select the bottom layer, Cam B clips, and double-click the resize effect. Now onto the 3-camera setup. Select the 8-cam clips and double-click the resize. Then Alt double-click the animat. Next, select the B-cam clips and double-click the resize for that cam, for the V2. And Alt double-click for the animat, and then for the C camera, double-click the resize. Then you'll drop your timecode on the top. I've used a generate timecode, which is not true to the source, of course, but this way the timecode flows nicely for a producer or whoever that wants to watch this down. It keeps it simple for them. You can use source timecode if you want. I like to lean away from that just to keep it simple for the producers. Of course, you'll need to send the bin to your editor so they can reference the timecode they received notes for. Now your cameras are split out, they look clean, and they'll be in sync when the producer or whoever watches the link back. Now that you have your string out, you're ready to export all these fantastical Dailies pulls. In the Split for Dailies Watchdown link bin, I'm including sample builds of the 2-camera and 3-camera splits. The media will be offline, but if you're a noob, this will be super helpful for you to reference if you want to deconstruct the process. You can download this template bin in the video description. Good luck, friends.